अकबर साहब.
Honorable Speaker, sir, for a change we had a lot of lighter moments and all the house was into laughter, sir. But I would like to come on record and say that I am happy in my party. Akbaruddin Owaisi मरे दम तक मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन में था, मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन में ही रहेगा, मजलिस इत्तेहादुल मुस्लिमीन के दफ्तर दारुसलाम से ही अकबर ओवैसी का जनाजा जाएगा। और रहा सवाल, चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने मुझसे कहा कोडंगल के बारे में, तो मैं सिर्फ एक बात कहता हुआ आपकी नज़र पे लाता हुआ जाऊंगा। Sir, I was going through all the records of assembly and parliament elections, the votes which were seeked in the assembly elections and then after the parliament elections, sir. Sir, in that, sir, the Congress maintained a lead in 64 seats after the parliament elections. But in 15 seats where Congress had won in the assembly, the BJP gained in the Lok Sabha elections, sir. So similarly, I want to give an example about Kodangal constituency. The Chief Minister Revant Reddy Sahab then had contested there, sir. The BJP had scored only 3,988 votes when Revant Reddy Sahab was contesting on Congress ticket as a Congress candidate, sir. But in the parliament election, sir, the BJP candidate who secured only 3,988 votes, the BJP candidate in parliament secured 62,560 votes. And नहीं मैं बोलता हूँ और सर और एक बात कहता हूँ सर ना नहीं I'll tell wait sir wait. So this is why I think the Congress has faced a defeat in the parliament. Now if we have to see Sri Salla. Sir, in Sri Salla, KT Ramarao was successful. The BJP received 72,559 votes in Lok Sabha elections, sir, gaining the lead while it had secured only 18,328 votes in assembly, sir. सही है आपकी बात, मैं वो भी बता रहा हूँ. Lekin, sir, I would like to come on record and say that, sir, you might be happy and celebrating with 8. I am your true friend. It is not a happy moment, sir. We need to look into the reasons as to why the Congress couldn't get more than 8 seats. It's very important. Because I would say that I was expecting at least 12 to 15 seats. तो हमको ये देखना है कि हम कहां कमजोर हुए, क्यों कमजोर हुए. That is very important. That is why I am saying I don't want to come to Kodangal, sir. Sir, going further ahead, sir. In education, I'll conclude, sir. Sir, in polytechnic colleges, sir, there are 56 institutes. The sanctioned posts are 1,675, and the vacancy is 48%, sir. In junior colleges, the vacancies are 85%. Degree colleges, the vacancy is 70%. Universities, the vacancy is 68%, sir. So the vacancies in these colleges are 74%, and I hope and I believe and I trust that the Congress government would look into this and try to fill in the vacancies, sir. Sir, as per the RTI information which I received, sir, which through you I would like to bring to the kind notice of the government is that, sir, so the total number of schools are 26,065, sir. वो election से पहले कुछ करे थे, वो schools का क्या था, कुछ program करे थे. I'm just हाँ मनावाड़ी हाँ साहब मनावाड़ी प्रोग्राम करे, वो क्या प्रोग्राम हुआ, किधर पैसे गए, क्या काम हुआ, कुछ नहीं मालूम. आई वाज जस्ट कमिंग, द कॉन्ट्रैक्टर सेड सर वो प्रोग्राम कराए, अब तक पैसे नहीं दिए. जरा उनके भी पैसों का देखिए साहब. एंड शॉकिंग फिगर्स आर, सर द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल इन 24,000, sir. Agar, if we have to see, sir, the drinking water, there are more than 10% schools जहाँ पे drinking water is not there. Compound walls, sir, schools में नहीं है, are 34%. Sir, electricity जो schools में नहीं है 6%. प्लेग्राउंड जहां नहीं है वहां 40%, कंप्यूटर रूम्स जहां नहीं है 38%, टॉयलेट जहां नहीं है 12%, एडिशनल क्लासरूम्स 8%, साइंस लैब जहां नहीं है वहां पे 79% सर। So I would like to come on record and request the government of the day to kindly take special importance on education sector, sir. It has been neglected, sir. The literacy rate has come down, and this BRS has really neglected, sir. And finally, going ahead, sir, I would like to speak and conclude by saying about the Waqf Board, sir. Waqf Board and the Home Department, I would say, sir. Sir, Waqf Board. मैं चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से कहूंगा कि माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर भी आपके हाथ में है सर। ये वक्फ बोर्ड का एक ऑफिसर है जो माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट में 22 साल से है सर। 22 इयर्स सर, 22 इयर्स सर ही इज इनटू माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट। अब बड़े बड़े लोग पूरा पुश कर रहे हैं कि ये 22 इयर्स से जो माइनॉरिटी ऑफिसर है, ही इज इंचार्ज ऑफ माइनॉरिटी वेलफेयर, ही इज इंचार्ज ऑफ हज, ही इज इंचार्ज ऑफ वक्फ बोर्ड, उसको इंचार्ज एडिशनल दे दिए सर। 22 साल से है। ऑफिसर्स ये डिपार्टमेंट से वो डिपार्टमेंट जाते हैं। मैं नाम लेना नहीं चाहता ऑफिसर का, इट इज नॉट राइट, बट 22 years sir he is going to be now he wants to become a CEO now. He wants to become a CEO, sir. Sir, you would be surprised, sir. There is one work property at Abbots by the name Moin Manzil, Honorable Speaker, sir. Through you, I would like to bring to the notice of the Honorable CM साहब. CM साहब, आपको सुन के हैरत होगी कि Abbots पे एक मोइन मंजिल एक वक्फ प्रॉपर्टी है जिसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए मैंने कोर्ट से स्टे लिया। वक्फ बोर्ड in collusion with the people who want to take that property, which was registered वक्फ property, which I went to the court and I cancelled the registration. तो इसके स्टे मिला, रजिस्ट्रेशन कैंसिल हुई। वक्फ बोर्ड and that owner, they make me a party and they went to the court, sir. I was in London, I got information. मुझे पार्टी बनाए। वो अच्छा हुआ कि मैं अपने वकील को बोल के वहां गया। The Chief Justice gave left and right to the Waqf Board Council, sir. Left and right. कि how do you bring the Akbar Owaisi's name in this? How can you ask about Akbar Owaisi? No, and he dismissed the petition, sir. सर, इस तरीके से पूरे वक्फ प्रॉपर्टीज तबाह बर्बाद हो रहे हैं सर। वक्फ के प्रॉपर्टीज they have lost the case, sir. वायसराय होटल हाउस कमेटी